Relocating for a new job is a significant life event, filled with both excitement and potential stress. For professionals in project management, a field that thrives on organization and planning, the prospect of moving to a new location adds another layer of complexity. When considering a career opportunity with a company like Scoro, a well-known provider of work management software, one crucial question often arises. Does Scoro offer relocation assistance? As a project management expert, I understand the importance of a smooth transition for any new team member, especially those who are uprooting their lives to join a company. Relocation assistance can be a key factor in attracting and retaining top talent, ensuring that new employees can focus on their roles and integrate into the company culture without undue financial or logistical burdens. Based on available information, Scoro does offer relocation assistance, but it is not a standard benefit for all roles. Their careers page explicitly states in the FAQ section, "Please note that we offer relocation assistance only for specific roles," which will be clearly stated in the job ad. This indicates that whether or not you receive relocation support depends on the specific position you are applying for and the needs of the company at that time. Therefore, if you are considering a role at Scoro and relocation is a factor for you, it is imperative to carefully review the job advertisement. Look for any mention of relocation assistance or benefits within the description. If it is not explicitly stated, it is highly recommended to ask the recruiter or hiring manager directly during the application process. This will provide you with a clear understanding of what, if any, support Scoro offers for the particular role you are interested in. Understanding relocation assistance in the context of project management. Before we delve deeper into Scoro, let's take a moment to understand what relocation assistance typically entails and why it is a valuable offering, especially for project management professionals. Relocation assistance is a package of benefits provided by an employer to help new or transferring employees manage the costs and logistics associated with moving to a new work location. These packages can vary significantly in scope and generosity, but some common elements include moving expenses, covering the cost of transporting household goods, packing and unpacking services, and storage if needed. Travel expenses, reimbursing travel costs for the employee and their family to the new location, including airfare or mileage. Temporary housing, providing or subsidizing short-term accommodation upon arrival in the new location, allowing time to find permanent housing. Housing assistance, offering support in finding a new home, which might include real estate agent referrals or temporary rental subsidies. Some companies may even offer assistance with selling a current home. Visa and immigration support. For international relocations, this can include covering visa application fees and providing legal assistance. Cultural integration. In some cases, especially for international moves, companies might offer language classes or cultural orientation programs to help employees and their families adjust to a new environment. Lump sum payment. Some companies provide a one-time payment to the employee to use at their discretion for relocation-related expenses. For a project management professional, relocating can disrupt ongoing projects and require significant personal organization. Having relocation assistance in place can alleviate some of the stress and allow the individual to focus on their new role and responsibilities more effectively. A smooth transition ensures that the project manager can quickly integrate into the team and apply their skills to contribute to the company's goals. Scoro's company culture and employee value proposition. While the availability of relocation assistance for specific roles is a key practical consideration, it's also important to understand Scoro's overall company culture and what they offer their employees. This can provide insights into their approach to employee well-being and support. Scoro emphasizes a culture built on valuing people, promoting a 4-day work week, and striving to make a difference in how businesses work. Their core values include being reasonable, structured, a team, innovative, and high-performing. They highlight a work environment that fosters collaboration, humor, and continuous improvement. Some aspects of Scoro's employee value proposition that stand out include 4-day work week. This is a significant benefit aimed at improving work-life balance and giving employees more personal time. Focus on team and culture. Scoro emphasizes a supportive and fun-loving work environment with team events and a pet-friendly office in some locations. Growth and development. They encourage continuous learning and provide opportunities to work on an industry-leading platform. Global presence. With teams across the UK, US, and the Baltics, Scoro offers a diverse and international working environment. While these aspects don't directly address relocation assistance, they paint a picture of a company that values its employees and strives to create a positive and supportive workplace. This suggests that when relocation assistance is offered for a specific role, it is likely to be part of a broader commitment to ensuring a successful transition for the new team member. Navigating the relocation conversation with Scoro. If you are in the process of interviewing with Scoro for a role that requires or might benefit from relocation, here are some tips on how to approach the conversation. Do your research. Before your interview, research typical relocation packages in the industry and for similar roles. This will give you a benchmark for what to expect. Review the job description carefully. As mentioned earlier, check for any explicit mention of relocation benefits. Ask early in the process. Don't wait until the final stages of the interview to inquire about relocation. It's a significant factor in your decision, and it's best to have clarity early on. A suitable time might be during the initial recruiter screening or the first interview with the hiring manager. Be direct and clear. Frame your question politely but directly. For example, you could say, "I'm very interested in this opportunity, and as I am based in your location, I wanted to inquire about whether Scoro offers relocation assistance for this role." Listen carefully to the response. Pay close attention to the details of what is offered. Understand what expenses are covered, the duration of any temporary housing, and the process for reimbursement or direct payment. Be prepared to negotiate if appropriate depending on your level of experience, the criticality of the role, and the company's standard practices. There might be room for negotiation regarding the relocation package. Be prepared to articulate your needs and the value you bring to the company. Understand the tax implications. Be aware that relocation benefits can sometimes be taxable. Clarify with the HR department how the assistance is structured and what the tax implications might be in your specific situation. Express gratitude. Regardless of the outcome, thank the interviewer for their transparency and for providing the information.